Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Baja Warrior Mini Bike is probably one of the most exciting and versatile off-road vehicles available for recreational riders, offering a thrilling experience for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. Its compact size and robust design make it perfect for navigating various terrains, from dirt trails to open fields, providing endless hours of fun and adventure. Whether you're looking to cruise around the backyard or tackle more challenging paths, this mini bike delivers reliable performance and an exhilarating ride that's hard to beat. Number 5. FVRITO 15mm Chain Tensioner Adjuster. Is your chain too loose or too tight? Proper chain tension is crucial for a smooth and safe ride. Our adjuster ensures your chain is always at the optimal tension, preventing issues like jittering or excessive wear. This chain tensioner is designed for a wide range of mini bikes and dirt bikes. It fits popular models like Coleman, Baja, Massimo, and many more, including 50 cubic centimeters to 125 cubic centimeters dirt bikes. A loose chain can lead to jerky movements or even fall off. Conversely, a tight chain causes increased friction and component wear. This part helps you avoid these problems. Built for long-term use, this adjuster maintains the correct chain tension without constant checks. Enjoy reliable performance and reduce the risk of transmission failures. With a 15mm bolt diameter, installation is straightforward. Simply replace your old tensioner to restore optimal chain function and protect your components. Each package contains 2 chain tensioner adjusters. You'll have everything you need to ensure your chain is perfectly tensioned for your next ride. What we like. This chain tensioner is designed to keep your mini bike's chain at the optimal tension. It prevents common problems like jittering, jamming, or the chain falling off. If you're experiencing chain looseness or wear, this is a great upgrade for a smoother, more reliable ride. What people say. The Baja Warrior Mini Bike parts are known for their durability and robust construction, ensuring they can withstand rigorous use. Customers often praise the precise fit and easy installation of these parts, making maintenance and upgrade straightforward. The design of the Baja Warrior Mini Bike parts focuses on enhancing performance, with many users reporting improved handling and power after installation. Number 4. Coleman Mini Bike Front Jackshaft Chain. This is the essential front jackshaft chain for your mini bike. It's designed to be the shorter of the 2 chains on your vehicle, ensuring optimal performance. Specifically engineered for compatibility with popular models like the Coleman CT200U, CT200U EX, BT200X, and Baja Warrior Heat. It's the perfect replacement part. Featuring a number 420 chain with 42 links, this component is built for longevity. It's tested and proven to offer high tensile strength for reliable use. Constructed with a special steel alloy, it protects against heat cracking in cold weather. This ensures consistent performance regardless of the conditions. Its motocross-style design is lightweight yet ultra-high strength. Pre-stressed and pre-stretched, it requires fewer adjustments and outperforms many other heavy-duty chains. This chain comes complete with a master link for easy installation. Get back on the trail quickly with this premium component. What we like. This number 420 chain is built for performance and longevity. Its special steel alloy resists cracking in cold weather, and it's pre-stretched for fewer adjustments. If you need a robust and reliable chain for demanding rides, this premium option is for you. What people say. The Baja Warrior Mini Bike parts are a great addition for anyone looking to upgrade the mini bike. The parts are designed for durability and performance, ensuring a smooth and powerful ride. Installation is straightforward, and the parts fit perfectly with the Baja Warrior frame. These parts significantly enhance the off-road capabilities of the mini bike. The improved traction and suspension allow for better handling on rough terrain. The build quality is excellent, with robust materials that can withstand demanding use. Number 3. LIYYOO Throttle Cable Kit for XR/CRF Pit Bikes. Upgrade your ride with this comprehensive throttle cable kit. It includes everything you need for precise control and a comfortable grip. Designed for a wide range of pit bikes, including XR and CRF models, this kit ensures a perfect fit. It's ideal for engines from 50 cubic centimeters to 1000 cubic centimeters. Experience smooth acceleration with the high-quality throttle handle and cable. The included brake lever ensures reliable stopping power. This package comes with a right brake lever, left and right hand grips, a throttle tube, and a 48-inch throttle cable. Installation is straightforward. Enjoy a more responsive and comfortable riding experience. This kit is designed to enhance your control on any dirt or mini bike. We are committed to providing excellent service. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us for a prompt solution. What we like. This throttle cable kit provides everything you need for a responsive throttle. It includes grips, levers, and a long 48-inch cable for flexible mounting. If you're looking to replace worn controls or customize your handlebars for a comfortable feel, this comprehensive set is a solid choice. What people say. This part is a direct fit for the Baja Warrior. The quality of the material used is excellent and it holds up well under stress. Installation was straightforward and did not require any modifications. Number 2. Linekong 7/8 Twist Throttle Grips Cable, Red. Introducing the Linekong 7/8 Twist Throttle Grips and Cable in vibrant red. This set is designed to enhance your control and comfort on any dirt or pit bike. This comprehensive package includes everything you need, a throttle cable, a throttle clamp, and comfortable hand grips. It's a direct replacement designed for a perfect fit. Designed for universal fit on most off-road vehicles and ATVs, this throttle assembly is ideal for modifications. The cable length is optimized for various engine sizes. The throttle cable measures 36 inches, providing ample length for smooth operation and easy installation on your bike. It ensures a responsive connection to your engine. Crafted for durability and style, the red finish adds a touch of flair to your motorcycle. Experience a reliable and responsive throttle with this quality replacement part. Your package contains one twist throttle, 2 handlebars, and 1 throttle cable. Get ready to hit the trails with improved performance and control. What we like. This red twist throttle and cable set offers a stylish and functional upgrade. With a 36-inch cable, it's suitable for a wide range of dirt pit bikes. If you want a vibrant accent and a smooth throttle response for your off-road adventures, this is a great option. What people say. The product is well made and fits perfectly. Easy to install and works as expected. Great value for the money and durable construction. Number 1. AlveyTech Black Seat for Baja Mini Bike MB165 and MB200. Introducing the AlveyTech Black Seat, designed to enhance your mini bike experience. It's the perfect upgrade for comfort and style. This seat is engineered for a wide range of mini bikes. It easily fits models like the Baja MB165 and MB200, ensuring a seamless replacement. Experience unparalleled comfort with its wider design, measuring 14 to 34 inches long and 13 inches wide. Enjoy longer, more comfortable rides with enhanced hip support. Crafted with a sturdy aluminum frame and durable vinyl, this seat is built for longevity. Its smooth finish and robust construction make it an ideal replacement for your old seat. The double-stitched, ergonomic design ensures extended seat life and exceptional comfort. Its soft cushioning allows you to ride for hours without fatigue. Get back on the road in no time. This seat is designed for easy DIY installation right in your garage, making the upgrade process hassle-free. What we like. This black seat offers a wider profile for enhanced comfort on longer rides. Constructed with a sturdy aluminum frame and durable vinyl, it's built to last. If you prioritize comfort and a smooth riding experience on your mini bike, this seat is an excellent replacement. What people say. The Baja Warrior Mini Bike parts are known for their durability and robust construction, ensuring they can withstand rigorous use. These parts offer excellent compatibility with various Baja Warrior models, making installation straightforward for most users. The design of the Baja Warrior Mini Bike parts incorporates enhanced features for improved performance and smoother operation of the mini bike. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.